Hi, I'm Kyle Voracek, owner of RESIDE. We're here in Mound, Minnesota today on a siding installation, and we're going to talk about LP SmartSide. And so let's talk about the LP SmartSide product. This customer chose this product for their beautiful lake home here for many reasons. One of the reasons is that we're on a lake. It's a very wet environment. This is a engineered wood product, and what that means is it's not made of just a piece of wood. It's strand-oriented strand board that's treated, compressed, and then on the surface here you can see it has a wood grain that they imprint at the factory. Well, because it's a wet environment, this product is going to perform great. You can actually put this product in a bucket of water for a year and it's going to change very little. It's impervious to rot, mold, and mildew. Another great thing about this product is the finish. When you get a wet environment like this, you're worried about painting your house all the time. Well, this is actually a factory applied finish. It's called LP Expert Finish, and it has a 20-year warranty against chipping, flaking, fading, stuff like that. So once you put this on your house, you don't have to worry about painting the house. So when we're installing this product, we start from the bottom to the top to make sure that we have water shedding capabilities for the siding. So if we ever get wind-driven rain, it's dripping off of this course and then off the other course. There's no way for water to get in. You'll notice back here, we have this Tyvek on the house. That's a moisture barrier. So if anything were to get behind the siding, it's another layer of protection. And we actually put flashing tape around all the windows, on all the seams of the moisture barrier. So it's really an impervious, impenetrable barrier that you're gonna have behind your new siding.